Hi, welcome back again. Still continuing in Chapter 4. In our last session, we talked about how to construct a five-finger pattern in the minor form as opposed to have a major five-finger pattern. Today, we're going to continue with that thought, except we're going to extend it to a full scale and create minor scales. First, you need to know that every major scale has a minor scale that is related to it. And they are related because they share the same key signature. For example, if we have the major scale C, we know that in the major scale there are no sharps and there are no flats. And we can now create a minor scale that is related to the major scale that also has no sharps and no flats. There are two forms of minor scales we're going to talk about today. And the first one we call the natural minor. And we call it the natural minor because it completely shares the same key signature as the major form that it's related to. Well, how do you know which scale is related to another scale? Well, that's not hard. There are two ways to approach how to find what minor scale is related to a major scale. For instance, in the key of C, for instance, again, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. The way to find which minor scale is related to this key is to go one of two ways. You can start from the tonic of the C major scale and count down 3 half steps. If you count down 3 half steps from C, you go to B flat, and then to A. So if we can decide that the related minor key to C is A. Okay? There's another way. You can go up to the 6th scale degree in your major key, and that will also be the same. The 6th scale degree in the key of C, let's count. C, D, E, F, G. The 6th scale degree is A. So in both situations, you have come up with A. It's up to you. You can go down 3 half steps from the tonic of your major key, or go up to the 6th scale degree in your major key. And either way, it's A. So, in order to create an A minor natural scale, we simply now start on our note A. And then our next note will be B. And the next is C, D, E, F, G, A. That is an A minor natural scale. It shares the same key signature as C major, no sharps, no flats. And so in the A minor natural scale, there are no sharps and no flats. It's exactly sharing the same key signature. Now there's a second form of minor scale that we call the harmonic form. It is exactly the same as the natural form, except when we get to the 7th scale degree, we're going to raise it by a half step. So in our A minor natural scale, the 7th step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's G. So in order to create this to be a harmonic minor scale, we now need to raise the G by a half step. To raise G by a half step, we're going to have to make it sharp. So now, when we have our scale, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G sharp, A. And again, this is called the harmonic minor. We have the natural minor. It completely shares the same key signature as the major scale it's related to, that we find by going either 3 half steps down from the tonic of the major key, or going up to the 6th scale degree of that major key. The natural minor has nothing added or changed about any of the notes in the scale from what it shares with its major, related major, but the harmonic form of the minor scale raises the 7th scale degree by 1/2 step. So when you would be playing a piece of music in A minor, if you're using the harmonic form, then you will see a sharp written in the music. It will not be in the key signature, because if you just don't have something that has G sharp by itself written in, that doesn't exist in any of our key signatures. So when you're looking at a piece of music, if it ends on an A, it has no sharps or flats, but in the music you see a lot of G sharps written in there, you have a very good idea that your key is going to be A minor harmonic form. Okay, we're going to stop here for a minute and then we'll proceed on next time. See you.